Hello, my name is Chris Williams. I'm chairman of RTPay and RTVAT, two non-profit organisations that work with tax authorities trying to help them to improve the way in which they collect taxes, both VAT and PAYE and in general. This section of the site, Tax and Technology, is geared to trying to assist those that are particularly involved in the collection of taxes, particularly in areas such as reducing the fraud which applies. So some of the things which we look at are the best ways of doing fraud analysis, the best way of using the opportunities given by new technology to actually collect the taxes in a stronger and more secure manner. From that position, we look frequently at areas where, in assisting the developing countries, they have a quicker way to move to change, because there's a more direct link between the governmental organisations, the central bank, the overall government, the treasury, etc., with the tax authorities. So they have more of an opportunity to bring about change. In that regard, one of the key areas is how do people make payments, and you will see a number of pieces that come through on this which discuss about use of mobile phones. Well, I'm fairly convinced that this is going to be a major part of it, not least because we have 5 billion people in the world with phones. There are only 2 billion people or less with bank accounts. So you do end up with a scenario where this is a way to contact people and to help them make payments. And if we can help the tax authorities in the way in which they extract the taxes at the time of payment, then we have a far better opportunity to make this an operation that's going to be helpful to all. That's our particular piece, but I'm going to try to make sure that we give as much coverage as we can to all types of technology which may be of assistance to tax authorities. That does mean that there will be pieces of it which refer to, obviously, company names, will be company releases about new technology, how to best use it, etc. We won't allow any marketing or advertising in this section, but it will talk about actual products. So that's a brief introduction as to why tax and technology and our particular piece, which I will admit will come up fairly obviously as this goes through, but we will try to cover every aspect of it. There are other non-profit groups that we are bringing in that will be making specific areas they're going to discuss in more detail, and I hope this is going to be a helpful area for you, and it will be a changing one. It's probably more dynamic than some of the other factors involved on the site. So please come back to it, add your comments, tell us when you have experiences which differ from what may be being suggested in the articles on it. So we really do want to know, and then we also want to know people that want to try out various pieces, and then we can try to help get established pilot schemes, etc. for them. Thank you very much.